Hey, what's happening, guys? Coming at you from downforsoundshop.com with something new today. You probably know that we picked up Cerwin Vega not too long ago, but we just got these amplifiers in. These are going to be super popular. I already know it is the smaller series of amplifiers, or smaller footprint, I should say. It comes in a 3K and a 5K. Let me flip this around and show you what they are working with and the awesome price point on them as well. Check this out. All right, so here we have the Cerwin Vega CV Pro 3K and CV Pro 5K. So I'm going to open up both of these and let you see them and show you something that is just another option. There's a lot of similarities between companies these days, and you can probably notice that, but if you want to have a different brand run with something that isn't so I guess normal or mainstream, you can check out Cerwin Vega. A lot of you may have known them from being one of the pioneers, I would say, in car audio. They've been around for a very, very long time. So the name is probably not a surprise to any of you. All right, let me put this in here. Well, close enough. All right, so here is the 3K. Well, actually, I'm gonna go ahead and get these out of the packaging since you saw what they came in, and then I will show you what it looks like. All right, so here we go. Gonna start off with the owner's manual, or should we show you what it looks like? We'll just breeze through the owner's manual real quick. So you get your owner's manual. It comes with each amplifier. It's gonna have your standard information in here, how to wire, all your different diagrams here, crossovers, bass boost, goes over all of that. And then output as a Cerwin 3K. You're gonna have 3,000 watts at 1 ohm, and then 2,050 watts at 2 ohm. Then on the 5K, you're gonna have 5,000 watts at 1 ohm, and then 3,300 watts at 2 ohm. So doing good power here. And I'll just go ahead and show you what this looks like on the outside. So we have the 0 gauge inputs here. And then around here on this side, you can see the crossover network and the RCAs. You got your remote bass knob that looks something like this. So this one would work for the 3K or the 5K. It does not have a clip light on the remote, but it does have it on the amplifier right here, so it could help you in setting it up properly, so you don't have any clippage going to your system. You don't want that, right? All right, so moving over to the, and for size reference, this is how small this is. Tiny, 3,000 watts, very small package. And then for the 5K, not too much bigger, a couple inches longer, but it has dual fans in the 5K, so you can suck air through here when it starts getting warm, because it being a 5K, it will generate more heat. And you have your 0 gauge inputs in the crossover network down here, looking exactly like the other one. So again, if you'd like to check this out, get you something different. A lot of people are wanting to get away from the more mainstream brands that we sell, such as Sundown or Def Bonts or something like that. You want something a little bit different, but still a good quality brand. You can go with Cerwin Vega. Got it in stock, and a lot of other stuff as well. We got some of their sound bars in, their wakeboard towers, all kind of stuff like that. So just bringing you another option. Don't forget, we have 2 different types of same as cash financing on the website. You can check that out under the financing tab, and also guaranteed lowest prices, fastest shipping, best customer service. Appreciate you checking out another video. If you have any questions about it, check it out. Until then, downforsoundshop.com, signing out.